Hello everybody, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve messenger keeps closing. To know how to fix or how to solve your messenger keeps closing, you should just go to settings. Here in this page we click on apps, default apps, app settings. Then in this list we'll search about the application of messenger. Here in this page of app info, we click on first stop and we click OK. Then we will enter to storage. After that we click clear cache, and in the end we can turn off your Wi-Fi. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention.